Hi friends, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get flat tummy using a very simple homemade recipe. Hi friends, welcome back. Please subscribe. He is gonna burn all your belly fat, so what you're gonna do is take it first thing in the morning before eating and last thing before bed. Lemon water can promote fullness, support hydration, boost metabolism and increase weight loss. That being said, it is tasty, easy to make and can be used as a low-calorie replacement for higher calorie beverages. The next thing I'm gonna be needing is ginger. Ginger also decreases inflammation, stimulates digestion and suppresses appetite. Ginger can work along a healthy diet and exercise to help you reach your healthy weight loss. So guys, this quantity of ginger should be okay for this recipe. You can either slice it or you use the powdered form, but if you're using the powder it has to be 1 tablespoon. But on this video I'm gonna use this fresh ginger and slice it, then pour it inside a kettle and boil it for like 15 minutes before pouring it inside my teacup. So after pouring inside your teacup, you squeeze in half lemon, then you also pour your lemon inside the teacup as well. Then the last thing you're gonna be adding to your tea is honey. Honey is a very good addition to this tea and is also very important to consume it first thing in the morning or last thing in the night, because consuming honey right before bed or early in the morning can help you burn more calories during the early hours of sleep. This ingredient is enriched with essential vitamins, minerals and healthy fats as well. Essential hormones in honey suppress appetite and aid weight loss. Alright guys, so after adding the honey, then your tea should be ready. That is 1 cup of water to 1 tablespoon of honey, half lemon and then a handful of ginger. So aside from this tea, there are other things I'm gonna share with you on this video that will help in burning those stubborn belly fats. Struggling to lose those extra inches around your belly? Don't feel alone. There are a million of others like you, from crash diet to endless hours in the gym. Spending hours in the gym is very important for someone who wants to lose belly fat, or even if you want to enhance your figure in different areas. It's very important to spend time in the gym. But above that, there are still other things that you need to take or practice alongside with this recipe I just shared with you. So one of it is exercise and the next one is taking fruit, guys. Experts also never fail to acknowledge the value of fruits in an ideal weight loss plan. You can have them blended in smoothies, toast them up in salads, sneak them in sandwiches. You will gain more benefits from the fruits if you can consume them raw and fresh. Consuming fruits will not just help you in burning belly fat alone, but it will also help in enhancing your skin, like to give you that sparkling bright glow. Drinking adequate water to flush away those toxins. This will give you dual benefits of a glowing skin and flat tummy. Drinking water does not only mean having gallons of water a day. You can drink it, via that tea I just shared with you how to make. You can also drink it, another way of consuming water is by taking much of vegetables, just like I just advised you on the benefits of enough fruit intake, especially taking them fresh. So guys, if you stick to all the tips I just shared with you on this video, I tell you guys that you are gonna have an amazing body. A handful of ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey and also half lemon is for 1 cup of water. So if you want to increase the quantity of water, that means you also have to increase the quantity of lemon, ginger and honey as well.